लास्ट वीडियो में हमने वॉरेन हेस्टिंग्स के इम्पॉर्टेंट काम और इम्पॉर्टेंट इंसिडेंट्स को कवर किया था। आज हम लोग आगे के गवर्नर जनरल्स को कवर करेंगे। इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, हर एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है। यूपीएससी हो, एसएससी हो, रेलवे के एग्जाम्स हो, स्टेट लेवल का एग्जाम हो, हर एग्जाम में इन पे जरूर क्वेश्चन आता है। आफ्टर वॉरेन हेस्टिंग्स लॉर्ड कॉर्नवालिस बने थे फ्रॉम 1786 to 1793। ड्यूरिंग हिज टाइम संस्कृत कॉलेज वॉज फाउंडेड इन बनारस बाय जोनाथन डंकन। ये क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी पूछा जा चुका है, तो कॉर्नवालिस के टाइम पे था बट इसको फॉर्म किया था जोनाथन डंकन ने। लॉर्ड कॉर्नवालिस इंट्रोड्यूस्ड न्यू पुलिस सिस्टम इन 1791। थर्ड एंग्लो मैसूर वॉर in which Tipu Sultan was defeated and Treaty of Seringapatam was signed. This is important. Cornwallis introduced a code called Cornwallis Code in which he separated the powers of finance and judiciary. And this was called Cornwallis Code. He created the post of district judge, introduced the permanent settlement in Bengal. This permanent settlement was planned with Sir John Shore, who later succeeded him, and he is also known as the father of civil services in India. So 3 important things that you need to remember about Lord Cornwallis is police system, second Treaty of Seringapatam, third civil services, and fourth permanent settlement. So 4 things you need to remember about Lord Cornwallis. And Sanskrit College was founded by Jonathan Duncan during his time. Next, Sir John Shore succeeded Lord Cornwallis. First Charter Act was introduced during his time, and Battle of Kudla Kharda between Nizam and the Marathas happened during his time. He planned permanent settlement with Cornwallis and succeeded him. He is famous for his policy of non-interference and therefore not much work done by Sir John Shore. Next, Lord Wellesley, very important, from 1798 to 1805. He introduced the subsidiary alliance system, and this was signed by the states. Hyderabad which was first to sign in 1798, then Mysore, Tanjore, Awadh, Jodhpur, Jaipur, Macheri, Bundi, Bharatpur and Berar. These states signed subsidiary alliance with Lord Wellesley. He also signed first treaty with Nizam in 1798. Fourth Anglo-Mysore War, in which Tipu Sultan was defeated and he died later. And second Anglo-Maratha War, in which Scindia, Bhosle and Holkars were defeated. These 2 important wars. Formation of Madras Presidency during his tenure after the annexation of the kingdoms of Tanjore and Carnatic. Madras Presidency was formed. Treaty of Bassein with Peshwa. Lord Lake captured Delhi and Agra, and the Mughal emperor was put under company's protection. He also called him a Bengal tiger. So during Lord Wellesley time, subsidiary alliance, treaty with Nizam, 4th Anglo-Mysore War and 2nd Anglo-Maratha War. These incidents are important. Next, Sir George Burlow. Most important incident that happened during his time was Sepoy Mutiny of Vellore in 1806. He tried to restore the peace with Scindia and Holkars. Lord Minto I, 1807 to 13. He sent the mission of Malcolm to Persia and that of Elphinstone to Kabul. Treaty of Amritsar with Ranjit Singh. This is important. And Charter Act of 1813 during his time. I have already made videos for Charter Acts. Link will be in the description. These are important. Lord Hastings. Lord Hastings is different from Warren Hastings. So remember this. Lord Hastings from 1813 to 1823. During his time, Anglo-Nepalese War happened from 1813 to 1823. Treaty of Sugauli between the East India Company and the King of Nepal was signed. After this Anglo-Nepalese War, Treaty of Poona with Peshwa, and third Anglo-Maratha War from 1817 to 18. Pindari War. Creation of Bombay Presidency in 1818. Madras Presidency we learned during the time of Lord Wellesley, and Bombay Presidency during the time of Lord Hastings. 2 most important things. Rayatwari settlement in Madras by Thomas Munro, who was the governor there, was introduced, and Mahalwari system of land revenue was made in Northwest Province by James Thompson during the time of Lord Hastings. Rayatwari, Thomas Munro, Mahalwari in Northwest Province by James Thompson. He adopted the policy of intervention and war and considered Rajputs as the natural allies. Next, Lord Amherst. Burmese War. Treaty of Yandabu with Lower Burma by which British merchants were allowed to settle in southern coast of Burma and Rangoon, acquisition of territories in Malay Peninsula, and capture of Bharatpur. Lord William Cavendish Bentinck, one of the most important Governor Generals from 1828 to 35. He is considered the father of modern Western education in India. Abolition or prohibition of sati in 1829, banned female infanticide in 1829, suppression of Thugee, and this military operation was led by William Sleeman. Remember this name, William Sleeman, suppression of Thugee under Lord Bentinck, prohibition of sati, female infanticide banned, Mysore, Coorg, Central Cachar was annexed on the plea of misgovernment, Charter Act of 1833, Agra was created as province, and Macaulay's Minute of Education was introduced during Lord William Bentinck's time. English was made the official language of India in 1835. Abolition of Provincial Court of Appeal and Circuit set up by Cornwallis. Cornwallis had set up the Court of Appeal, which was abolished by William Bentinck, and he appointed commissioners of circuit and revenue. So you must remember 3-4 important things under Lord William Bentinck: Macaulay Minutes, abolition or prohibition of sati, female infanticide, and suppression of Thugee. In the next video, we will cover Governor Generals from 35 till 1858, and then we will move on to Viceroys, and we will also solve some questions based on them. For more such videos, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.